I've just had a lot of bad experiences with dentists. The last one I went to did a bunch of dental work that wasn't necessary, and then they disappeared. Like they left the state. And so I kind of was just very leery about going anywhere. So I really let the care of my teeth go. Some teeth were getting loose, and I didn't like how they looked, and I was getting very concerned about it all. So I decided to jump back in and, swallow my fear and search out a dentist.
Once we gave her a full exam, we kind of talked about some of the things that I saw, which is aggressive periodontal disease, where she was at the point where she could lose multiple teeth.
One reason I said I finally have to do something is I couldn't eat. It was painful to eat just about anything, unless it was like soft, and I got really tired of pudding and mashed potatoes, and but to chew hurt.
But she was really adamant of trying to fight for her dentition, that I provided her with Lanap laser therapy. When it comes to the Lanap therapy is essentially where we have that problem all throughout our mouth. So we treat the whole entire mouth.
It's a very interesting procedure because it's amazing what lasers can do. So the technology with the lasers was extremely important to me, and that's specifically what I was looking for, was someone who did do that. So I'm glad Bosky Dental does offer it, because otherwise I would have gone somewhere else, just simply because reading about the laser procedure and what it can do instead of just regular cleaning.
With Kobe, we are essentially on her 3rd week after treatment. At this point, we have decreased her gingival inflammation, and we have removed most of that bacteria that was inside her mouth. The next step in her process is to wait so we can have bone regeneration.
When I came into Bosky Dental, the staff was all very polite, very friendly, very professional. You just kind of feel like you've already been here 100 times, and you just feel comfortable. And Dr. Riscon is a wonderful man, and very knowledgeable and very empathetic to how you already are feeling about dentists. He tells you every step he's taking while he's doing stuff, so you know the shot's coming, the laser's coming, this is coming, so there's no surprises. I'm very grateful for Dr. Riscon, because I was at a point where my teeth were gonna fall out, and I didn't realize it was that bad. But he didn't make me feel like I was a bad person because I didn't take care of them a certain way, or, He's like, well, let's just try this and see how it goes, and we've had great results. Again, it's just being heard and knowing that you're not just a number in a chair.